Now, you must be wondering, why is it that the crowd, a random set of people that we basically ask the world to come help solve our problems for, can outperform the most elite institutions? Our lab has been working on this problem, trying to understand and unpack why is it that the crowd can beat solutions from as far back in history as Isaac Newton to now Harvard scientists or Broad scientists or scientists at other elite institutions like NASA. And what we have come up with is a fairly simple explanation. Many of you may recall in statistics that your professor talked about the fact that you can represent any activity through a statistical distribution. For example, the normal distribution, the Gaussian distribution, or the bell curve distribution. They're all describing the same thing, where basically the outcomes you're getting from a particular process follows a probability distribution that looks like a bell curve. Now, when you do something once, what statistics will tell you is that the first time you do something independently, you will get a statistical distribution, which is going to give you the average value. Over time, as multiple people start to do the same activity independently, you will see the entire distribution shape up. Now, what the crowd allows us to do is it allows us to see the entire distribution of results. We see the bad and the ugly. So think back to cannons at sea, as well as braying dogs that had telepathy, all the way to a great extreme value solution on the right side of the distribution from what came about from the chronometer, from John Harrison, to the examples that we've talked about so far in modern times. So what the crowd allows us to do is to come up with the entire distribution, and then as people sponsor the crowd, we can pick the best ones, the tail parts of the distribution. And often this tail part of the distribution is way better than what even the elite institutions do. The elite institutions end up being the average because they're just taking it one crack at the problem, versus the crowd gives us the entire distribution, and then we pick up the tail part, the extreme value part of the answer.